Morgan, leave that bird alone. Morgan, you leave that bird alone. You leave that bird alone. You're gonna be in trouble. Look at me. You leave that birdie alone. So our cat Morgan drug this bird in, and I'm trying to get him out of the house. Poor little thing. See if I can get him. Oh, come on. You're gonna go inside here. Ah, no, you stay here. You're gonna go inside there. No, you don't. You can't escape. Get inside there. Get in. Get in. Get inside there till I get rid of that bird. No. You're gonna go inside there. Go. Come on. You're in jail, cat. Oh, come on. You be nice. You know you're in trouble. You're in kid. Oh, you son of a gun. Get back in there. I'm gonna drag you. Oh, come back here, you. The bathroom. You be nice. All right. Now let's get this bird. He's all scared. Come on. I just saved your life. There you go. Go up the... No, go the other way. Come on, go outside. Oh, you idiot. The door's grab it. Behind the dishes over here. No, don't fly that way. Poor baby. Come on. Come on. So I finally got the bird trapped here in the laundry room. Let's see where he's at. I'm just gonna grab him with the vacuum cleaner. I know he's back here. I'm gonna get him. I'll grab him right now. There you go. Here you go. Almost got it. Gotta reach all the way in there. Oh! Oh no! I was just messing around. I really didn't use the vacuum cleaner to get the bird. Here he is. I know nobody's gonna believe it unless I document it. Here is the little critter. Alive and well. Doing just fine. He is just perfectly just fine. He's not hurt or anything. Okay, so don't think that I'm being cruel to my little birdie over here. Oh.